Most of the editing work is about moving clips around on the timeline and cutting them. But what do you do when you finished a big project with countless layers and then you have to insert something in between clips or just move them around? Well, you can mess things up very easily. That's why I'm going to show you the best way of doing this and also a few other tips that will help you speed up your workflow. Let's go. Okay, so I chose this project because it has multiple layers and you'll see how easy it is. Let's analyze what we have here. First, we have an adjustment layer where I have some color grading and I also have the background audio. So we need to lock these layers so they don't move. We're going to press the lock icon for the adjustment layer and the lock icon for the audio. Now we're making sure these layers don't move. If we have to move, for example, this clip in between these two clips, well, this would be very complicated because we would have to make sure we select everything and then move it over and then select these clips and move it over, and we already messed it up because we don't have enough room here. We'll have to go back and then move them again, and it's just a nightmare. Okay, I just undid everything and I'm going to show you the easy way of doing it and the correct way of doing it. So we will select these two layers because they belong together. The audio is also linked, as you see. Now we're going to drag it over with our mouse and press the Control key. You will see that the line and horizontal arrows start showing up. And when we're just in between those clips, some vertical lines start to show up. Well, that means it will snap exactly in between those clips. So we'll go to the exact place where we want to snap the clip to and then release our mouse. And voila, it is done because it has moved perfectly and we didn't have to drag anything around. We are now just left with this blank space, which we can easily erase by clicking on it and then pressing the delete key. And now we move this clip around efficiently and we made sure that nothing else moves around. And now, as I promised, some tips for easier and faster editing. Let's say you want to remove the last part of this clip. Well, it's very easy. We will be working with two keys, the Q key and the W key. The W key is for removing the last part of a clip. So make sure your timeline is selected and then press the W key. And the last part of the clip was erased. Now, let's say we want to remove the first part of this clip. Press the Q key and it's erased. Let's say you want to make sure you select the first frame of a video or that your playhead is exactly at the start of a clip. Well, for this, you will press the up arrow key and it will take you to the exact first frame of that clip. If you press the down arrow key, it will take you to the end of the clip and the beginning of the next one. I hope you learned something new, guys, and see you in the next one.